Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning. In our series on how to build upon your lexical resource, we bring to you yet another video on the theme food. Now let's go ahead and deconstruct the term food itself. The part of speech it hails from is noun, meaning substance consumed by an organism to provide nutritional support to maintain life processes. Sentence: the food had already been served before he returned back home. Some key terms derived from food are foodie, noun, that means gourmet or one having avid interest in food. Fast food, noun, easily prepared and processed food served in snack bars. Frozen food, noun, food frozen to preserve and kept in freezer until used. Food poisoning, noun, illness caused by consuming contaminated food. Convenience food, noun, pre-packaged food or meal that requires little preparation or cooking. Next up, we have the word appetite. The part of speech it hails from is noun, meaning a natural desire to satisfy a physical need, especially for food. Sentence: he lost his appetite after his mood was ruined by the unanticipated series of upsetting events. Some key terms derived from appetite are appetizing, adjective, that means stimulating one's appetite. Appetizingly, adverb, in an appetizing manner. Appetize, verb, to give an appetite. Appetizer, noun, a small dish or drink taken before main course meal to stimulate appetite. Appetitive, noun, instinctive physical desire, especially one for food or drink. Some other terms from the theme food are scrumptious, adjective, that means delicious or exceptionally tasty. Sentence: they were offering mind blowing discount deals on scrumptious dessert items which appear mouth-watering. Starving, noun, extremely hungry. Since he was starving, the moment he arrived home, he dug right into the inventory to gobble up some snacks. Sweet tooth, noun, one fond of sweet food. He has an insatiable appetite for sugar and exotic desserts, given that he has a sweet tooth. Bland, adjective, mild or tasteless food. The doctor recommended them a bland diet that is low in dietary fiber, not spicy, and cooked rather than raw. Cutlery, noun, silverware, knives, forks, and spoons used for eating. They set up a luxurious cutlery set to elevate their doing space and table setting. Cuisine, noun, a style or method of cooking particular to a region. They serve the most delicious delicacies from various cuisines, be it continental, Italian, or Mexican. Nutritious, adjective, food rich in nutrients and fiber. It is very much required to inculcate nutritious food as a part of your balanced diet. Savory, adjective, food belonging to the category that is salty or spicy rather than sweet. The savory odor of the platter while it was being cooked made everyone's mouth water. Next up, we have some speaking questions asked in the IELTS exam on the theme food. What food do you like to eat? What's your favorite meal of the day? What time do you usually eat? Cue card. Describe your favorite dish or food item. You should say what dish or food item it is, how it is prepared or cooked, how common this food item is. Describe your favorite dish or food item. I am a foodie and I savor almost all kinds of cuisines and food items. However, I have a distinct appetite for this dish known as chili. It can be prepared in several ways, however, typically it is made of beans, tomatoes, ground meat, cheese, and so on. It is a nutritious and savory flavored dish that can be enjoyed and prepared quite efficiently. Chili tastes even better the next day and can be made under an hour. It is cooked by simmering all the ingredients in one pot with addition of the spices. Spices used in chili include chili powder, cumin, dried oregano, and paprika. Now continue this answer with the words we just learned. Next up, we have a writing task asked in IELTS exam on the theme food. Nowadays, many people choose convenient or packaged food over home cooked meal. Why do you think this happens? What are the advantages and disadvantages of this? So, as we learned, convenient or packaged food is a pre prepared food that can be simply quick cooked in a matter of minutes or hours rather than the home cooked meal. Why do you think people choose to make convenient food? And what are their advantages and disadvantages? Try answering it with the vocabulary we just learned. Now that's all for today. For more personalized live and spoken English classes at affordable prices, enroll today and don't forget to subscribe for more such content.